Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can create games and multiple activities with the help of Canva AI. Yes, you heard that right. And if you're looking for digital content in this era of AI tools, websites, any skill that you want to learn, then you are at the right place. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Let's talk about today's video. We are going to talk about the very different thing and different aspect of AI today that has been there in Canva AI and people do not know about it. Let me go into the activities maker section of the Canva AI. You have seen there are multiple ways to go with the activities maker. Let me show you how. For example, you want to create a word search game or an activity. You have word present list which are already being created. For example, I'm going to have the foods. You can also enter it manually if you want to enter your own words, make your own things. And if you have any brand or something relatable, or if you want to just put an Instagram post related to your brand vision by creating a word search, that is going to help you, and that will be created in seconds. For example, you have created the word list here. You can also enter it manually or upload any file here and generate multiple puzzles also if you want to. And then you just need to click here, generate. The moment you have clicked it, generate, these are the words which were there. For example, I'm going to remove them here. Now these two, actual game is here. Now this is the game, and you have to remember that what was the answer. So I'm going to take this here, paste it here. These were the actual answers of the things that were actually present over here. And this was the word search game which was generated. You simply need to change it, edit it, simply add some background if you want to add some different kind of background like this, and you have created your word search game in seconds. And that's too easy for you to see also what has been written, and this is all here present. Now let's talk about the crossword. So you have created the number 1 with the help of AI. Very easy. So the first word, first clue, second word is the second clue. Now that's the maximum number of words per crossword that you can use. For example, if you want to choose countries here, so Egypt is famous for that, everything is already written by default here. You can also enter if you want it to resonate with your brand or your service or anything that you are giving. Okay, so as you can see, by just clicking on that, it has successfully created the crossword here. Now as you can see across, as you can see, this is actually going to be the game, and this is actually going to be the answer. Now let me zoom in for you. Now first, so here is the first one, right? So the numbers are also displayed over here. The first one, it is that known for its Statue of Liberty. Everybody knows about it. You can write a home of several safaris rich in religious history. Now that's so easy. If you want your child to learn something and you do not want to waste your time also, it's a very time consuming process. You can just simply create it, the words and the clues list with the help of AI also, and then just paste it here and create a number of word puzzles that you can afterwards print it out also. For example, you just need to click on share. By downloading it on PNG or PDF print format, you are simply getting a PDF version of all of these games, and you can actually print them and tell your child to play it, and definitely it is going to be worth every penny that you will invest onto that, because that's very easy way to create the games. These are the answers. You know the answers, you know what has been written. You do not need to search it. You do not need to go through on your own. Like we have maze also. Now a maze setting, number of rows, number of columns, answer on that, key, path, color. You have everything here. You just need to click here, you will get the maze. As you know, maze is something which every child loves. Now let me, as you can see here, this is the answer, and you don't want to show the answer to your child first, so you can simply use it here on the second page, the answer, and this has been here. Now your child will actually look at, he wants to go from here to here because that's the red to the green, and this is the way through which everything will be followed. And that's very easy way. Now it was like number of rows were 14. You can also make it more integrate to make it more complex. Number of columns, if you want to make it more complex, if you want to change the colors of entry and exit points, everything will be generated in seconds, and that is too easy. If you want to make a book of a maze, definitely your child will love it, and that too with just an easy way. And number 4, as you can see here, this is the bingo. The numbers have been here, animals, countries, So I'm going to use here colors. Okay, so I'm going to generate the bingo. Yes, so this is the bingo. Now, as you know, bingo game has, this multiple. So it has created for that multiple, the number one, this blue, black, scene here. Another one, different one, third one, fourth one, because obviously you have settings to, go for the number of rows, number of columns, and number of cards that you want, the font size you want, the cell padding, and everything that you want inside the bingo that you want to create. In this way, if you want to create word search, crossword, maze, bingo activities for your child to love to play, then definitely you are here to generate it very easily. If you want your child to play that on your tab, definitely that's very easy. If you do not want to use any tab, you want to print it, just share it, click on the PDF format, just download it, everything will be there, and it will be something which will be created, edited by you with the background color, with the font that you want, everything will be here. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more such content that is really going to help you in your future to make life more and more better. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next video.